Hello, dear students. Welcome to economics class. Dear students, today we are going to discuss a very important topic, marginal opportunity cost, which is termed as MOC and whose formula is loss upon gain, as it is termed as the rate of sacrifice by an economic agent to get more quantity of another good. That is why its formula is loss upon gain. As till now, we have done two of our concepts, production possibility curve and consumer equilibrium by indifference curve analysis, and we have used this basic concept, marginal opportunity cost, in both of these concepts. Let me discuss these two in detail. As MOC is used in the concept of producer, that is production possibility curve, which is termed as PPC. Under this concept, we have termed this ratio as marginal rate of transformation, that is MRT. As in case of production, producer has to decide which quantity he should produce more and in what quantity, uh, as he has two goods to produce with the given technology and resources. So he is in dilemma that which quantity he should produce more, and whatever amount he sacrifice is termed as marginal rate of transformation. So here in the figure we have drawn good Y on y-axis, good x on x-axis, and accordingly the curve has been drawn. On the curve, there are 2 points E and F. The triangular region between these 2 points is termed as marginal rate of transformation MRT. And due to the increasing value of MRT, the slope of production possibility curve is concave to the origin. It is very important to note here that due to the increasing value of MRT, the slope of the curve is concave to the origin. Let's move to the next concept uh, for consumer. So this MOC is also used for second economic agent consumer in case of consumer equilibrium by IC analysis. Under this concept, it is termed as marginal rate of substitution, that is MRS, and in the same concept we have drawn good Y on y-axis and good X on x-axis. According to the given values of the indifference set, we have received downward sloping IC curve, and on the curve again we have 2 points E and F. The triangular region between these 2 points EF is termed as MRS, that is marginal rate of transformation. And due to the decreasing value of MRS, the slope of IC curve is convex to the origin. So in case we discussed in detail that IC is convex to the origin due to the decreasing value of MRS. And in case of production possibility curve, the slope of PPC is concave to the origin due to increasing value of MRT. So further, MOC has become a base between these two concepts, and it is important to note that the formula to identify the value of MRT and MRS is same, that is loss upon gain, and due to the different values of these two components, we have received two different shapes of the components. And further, these two values have proved two different slopes of the curve, as in case of PPC it is concave shape, and in case of IC it is of convex shape, because the value of MRS keep on decreasing in case of IC, and in case of PPC the value of MRT keep on increasing. So whenever you have to solve these numericals or plot the values on graph as per the result, you can plot the values on the graph. So as 1 marker or 2 marker questions, these concepts are very important, and even for MCQs these terms are being asked, that what is the reason for the concave shape of PPC and even the convex shape of indifference curve. So to clarify that concept, this video is very important, and keep in mind the concept. Thank you.